everyone, let me walk you through the demo of Survey Multifile Upload in Odoo by BrowseInfo. This powerful tool automates the assignment of unique lot and serial number to product during delivery, eliminating manual entry error and saving time. With customizable numbering patterns and bulk processing support, it ensures efficient handling of large-scale deliveries. Seamlessly integrated with Odoo's inventory module, this app improves product tracking, quality control, and regularity appliance. First of all, we will go into our inventory module. Under configuration, we will find a menu named operation types. Select that menu and select delivery order in operation types. Under lot and serial number, you will find two different checkboxes named create new and use existing one. These both checkboxes have different functionalities. So if I enable create new checkbox while creating deliveries, the product lot and serial number will be automatically created. And if you enable the checkbox use existing ones, the lot and serial number will not be automatically generated. You have to do it manually. So here I am selecting or enabling the checkbox create new. Now under configuration, we will go into the settings, and in the settings under lot and serial number, we will find a menu for lot serial number apply method. I am selecting global as my lot and serial number method. Here in the digit field, you can add the number of digit for product lot serial number. And in prefix, you can add prefix for product lot and serial number. After entering the data, you can save it. Now we will go into the products and we will create a new product. Click on new and create your product. Here I am creating a product name dinner table, and here I am entering its sales price and cost price. After that, in track inventory, I am going to select by lot instead of by quantity. Now I'm going to save my product and you can see the product is created. After that, under operation, we will go into the deliveries and we will create new delivery. Here add a delivery address or you can add a customer and select your created product. I am selecting dinner table. Here I will add my demand for 10 products. Now after saving, I will click on mark to do. After clicking on mark to do, here in the lot serial number button, you can see that a lot is automatically created for your product. Here you can see the quantity and its lot number. After that, here we will go into our product, and in on-hand quantity we can see we have 10 units of this lot number. Here you can see the lot number also. Now in track inventory, instead of by lots, I will select by unique serial number. You will get a warning, but you can select by unique serial number lots. After saving it, we will again under operation go into the deliveries, click on new, add a delivery address, and again add the product dinner table. Here I am adding 5 quantities for demand. After saving that, click on mark to do. Here I am clicking mark to do. After that, again in lot and serial number, here you can see different serial number for each quantity. We can see 5 different lot serial numbers for dinner table. Now we will save it, and now we will go into our configuration and settings. Under lot and serial number, in lot serial number apply method, instead of global, I will select product wise and save it. Now, again, we will go into the products and again, we will create a new product. Click on new and enter a product name. Here I am entering chair. Also, you will select by lots in the track inventory. After that, you can add a digits under here. Here I am adding 5 digits for chair, and according to the name of the product, I am adding my prefix as CHR. After that, I will add sale price and also the cost price. Here, after saving, we can see our product is created. Now, again, under operation, we will go into the delivery. We'll create a new delivery. Here, I am adding a delivery address and I will add my product as chair. Here, I have selected my product as chair. And also, the demand for my product chair will be 5. After saving, click on Mark to Do. After that, in the lot and serial number button, you can see a lot is created with the prefix CHR as that we has entered in our product, and also the quantity. Again, we will go into our product, and this time instead of by lots, we will select by unique serial number in track inventory. Saving this, under operation, we will again go into our deliveries. We will create a new delivery. Here I am adding delivery address as Gemini Furniture, and I will add again product chair. This time I am going to enter 10 as my demanded quantity. After saving, I will select Mark to Do and I will go to the lot and serial number. Here you can see with the prefix CHR, 10 different unique serial number is created for product chair. Now, after this, again, we will go into the operation type under configuration. We will open the delivery order, and this time instead of create new, we will select use existing ones and save it. When we select use existing ones, the normal Odoo flow will run. Here again, I will come to the deliveries. We will select a delivery address and we will select our product as dinner table. I am selecting dinner table here. Okay, so instead of dinner table, I will select my product as chair. I am selecting my product as chair and I am entering my demanded quantity as 10. Now, if I click on Mark to Do and go to the lot and serial number, you can see the quantity is 0 here. You need to add manually unique serial or lot number to create your lot and serial number here. Now, after that, we will go into the products, open products and create a new product by clicking on new. Add a product name here. I am entering earbud as my product. Now, in track inventory, instead of by quantity, I am going to select by unique serial number. You can select by lots also. Now, enter the digits. Here I am entering 3 digit and in prefix, I am entering EB as my prefix. Now, the sales price and the cost price of this earbuds will be $50. Now, here you can see the on-hand quantity of this product is 0. Which means we do not have inventory for this. Now we will go in under the operation in deliveries. We will create a new delivery. Select a customer and add your product earbuds. Now in demand quantity, I am going to enter 5. Now here you can see that the quantity is not available. But if I save this delivery and click on Mark as to do, you can see automatically the quantity is updated to 5. And also there are 5 different serial numbers for each quantity. Now after this, say discard, and you can validate if you want to validate this delivery. So if any product does not have the on-hand quantity, with this module you can create a lot and serial number for that too. If you have any queries about this video, you can ask them in the comment box and we will solve your queries. If you feel this video is useful to you, please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more Odoo related videos. Thanks for watching.